You're not gonna believe how fast this thing works. I turned the new Ventrac brush cutter loose and it completely atomized everything in its path.
Where did it go? In your life, have you seen anything like that? Hey, this is Bradley with Blue Cord, and this is the next installment in the multi-part series featuring Ventrac's new brush cutter, the MZ480. You're gonna put it through its paces, put it through some torture tests, see what she can do. If you wanna see the future video content featuring this brand new brush cutter, be sure to subscribe to this channel, hit the notifications bell, and that way, when we do upload these new awesome videos, you're not gonna miss it. Well, where did it go? Where did it go? In your life, have you seen anything like that? I mean, you'd think that there'd be like little bits and pieces, but are you kidding me? Look at this. This is clean. Where'd it go? This is unbelievable. This is incredible. Wow. I mean, the Tough Cut does a nice job, but it doesn't do that. It'll cut the material, but man, this takes atomization and destruction to a whole new level. This is amazing. So there's a lot more awesome content with the MZ. So just keep an eye out for those. They're gonna be pretty incredible. I look forward to bringing them to you, but a little bit at a time. Thanks so much for taking this time to spend with me today, and we'll see you guys in the next one.